Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Coupon Empress with another video. This time we went to Dollar General for the after Christmas clearance. Now there are some items that I could wait to purchase, which I left behind, but there are some items that I got at 50% off. Some were, I believe, 70% off, depending on what I purchased. And I'll tell you why I said it's, certain item was a 70% off. But for the majority, I left everything behind because I prefer to buy some items at 50% off, because I know if I don't get it at 50% off, chances are I will not get it. But other items like these storage boxes, the smaller ones, I left them behind. I took the bigger ones because I realized the bigger ones go faster at 50%, and the smaller ones, when it hit 90% off or 70% off, I will go back and get more stuff. The gift sets, those are the items I wanted more than ever, because I know once they hit 50% off, chances are they will go. But what I realize is, if you go to Dollar General, if you have the time to go to Dollar General on a daily basis, do so, because there's still a lot of things that are left in the storeroom, and they have to bring those stuff out to get ready for Valentine's Day. So you can keep checking on it maybe once a day or at least 4 times per week to see if there's anything else that you're missing. So as I've said, there are some items that I could not wait until it reached 75%, like the gift sets, candles, because I realized candles go very fast at my store. So let's start off with, I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's start off with these trays. These trays says, "Welcome to our winter wonderland." I love the hardware on this tray. Now, this is one of the tray that I said I believe it was 70% off, because this is $15, which means 50% off would be $7.50, right? Correct? It would be $7.50. Here is the code. It would be $7.50, but this was actually ringing up $6. So this is more than 50% off. So that's why I said I believe this was like maybe 70% off or 60. Somebody do the math and put it in the description. Let me know if it's 60% or 70% off. They had 4 of them, and I took them because I love the gold, the gold with the wood tone and the white stars, because with this you could do a lot of things with this. You could use this as a tray where you put, for the people who make gift baskets, you could put stuff for the bathroom, like for the shower, not say shower, but for the bath, like, bath salts, stuff like that. Or you could do it and put like stuff for the kitchen, like tea towels, a coffee mug, coffee, whatever, stuff like that. So when I saw this, I'm like, for $6, I'm going to take this. This sign, I don't know why I bought this sign, but I'm beginning to like these quarter hot cocoa sign. This one is in the color green. Old-fashioned hot chocolate, made fresh, served daily, open all winter, 25 cents. And I got this one also that says hot cocoa, 'tis the season, for extra marshmallow. So these were 50% off. That these were $2.50. They had only 2, so I know if I didn't get them, that would be it. These gift boxes, these were normally $4. These were normally $4, so I paid $2 for these. That one says Merry Christmas, and this one just have a snowman on it. Now, some stores have the gift set 50% off. Some have it 25% off. That's what I see, 25% off. So I'm like, you know what? The pickings were still on most of it was gone, but whatever was left at 25% off, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take my chances and buy it at 25% off, which is not much, because as I mentioned, if I leave them until they reach 70% or 90, trust me, it will be gone in the blink of an eye. So these Tahiti Island gift sets, it have the fragrance mist and the body lotion. This was normally $5, so I paid, I think, $3.75 for this. I don't mind paying $3.75 for this because Valentine's Day is around the corner, Mother's Day is around the corner, birthdays and all that good stuff. So I found 4 of these. I got 4 of these. This that says Moonlit Bliss, this was also $3.75. There was only one of that. This is a 5-piece lip gloss set from LA Colors. I know you could get LA Colors at CVS for $5, but when I look at this, I'm like, you know what? I like the, the animal, thing on the outside. I'm like, you know what? Let me get this. So this was also 25% off, which was, what did I pay for that? 3 something. Okay, this cucumber, fresh cucumber scent, this was $2.50. I paid, I think, $1.84 for this. This one also, this is the juicy orange. This having the body spray and a scented lotion. This could go in one of my mug gifts. This cup, I've purchased it several years ago. You have seen it. This was $1. This was $1, and with the percent, with this one came from one store that was 50% off. So this was actually 50% off for this. So this was 50 cents. Well, what else? This Fire and Spice, this came from the store that was 25% off. So this was $3.75. This ornament was 50 cents. I found 3 of these. It's like a gold with some brush whites that looks like it's distressed. I'm beginning to like the red Christmas truck. I'm beginning to like the red Christmas truck. So I have the cup, the red Christmas truck cup. I have the pot holders. These were 50 cents. My store had 2. And I saw this kitchen towel with it's, even though it's 1 piece, this was $3. So this was $1.50. But as I said, I love the red Christmas truck. And this might go into a basket by itself come Christmas next year when I'm making gift baskets. And then if I could find the red Christmas truck itself, then hey, that's a nice gift. Okay, these Paw Patrol, I've made Paw Patrol gift basket before. So when I saw this Paw Patrol, it says Pawsome Explorer, and this was $1.50. I know that people say you pay $1.50. Yeah, this was $1.50 because, as I mentioned, I've made Paw Patrol baskets before. This one is Star Wars Wanted for Being Too Cute. This was also $1.50. These candles, you have different scents. This is the Cozy Fireside Glow. This is the Midnight Vanilla, and this is the Evenings Juniper, Eucalyptus. They smell amazing. These were $5, so these were $2.50, and I love these 3-tone candles. And as I mentioned, if I had waited until then, I would not get these candles. These were $3 because these were 50% off, and these were $6. So some were $3, some were $2.50. These small holiday style candles, my hands are ashy. I washed my hands and I did not put lotion on there, so excuse my ashiness. This was 50 cents. This is a small candle, and I like this candle. I'm like, this is small, it smells good, it will go into gift baskets. These wax melts, these were, how much were these? I'm trying to remember how much these were. If someone could take a screenshot of the barcode. I'm not sure how much this was. I believe it was $1 and change. I know they might have, they would have gone eventually to 10 cents. But as I said, there are around my area, I know of 1, 2, 3, $4 General that I know of. And if I go out of my what you call it, my county, I know of 2 more. And then if I go anywhere near my job, I know of a few more. It's so funny, guys. The other day I was coming from work and it got late. It was dark, and I'm a person who doesn't drive. Well, not that I doesn't drive at night. I don't like to drive at night, in the nights, but I passed $2 Generals. And I was so tempted to stop, because where those Dollar Generals were, you could know which Dollar Generals have stuff. I could guarantee you there was stuff in that Dollar General. I knew there was stuff, but I didn't stop because it was dark, and my GPS put me in an area that I've never been before. So I'm like, you know what? Since it's getting dark, I'm gonna go home. So one of these days, I remember that route that the GPS took me. So I'm gonna see if I could go back there and see if I could find some items that are penny. Okay, these candles, these were $1, but these were 50 cents. These are the sugar cookie, and that's the cinnamon bun. Okay, I saw this container. I don't know why I buy this container, because it was 50 cents. There was another one, the red one, and it did not have. I wanted this one, the green. The red one was there and this green together, and it was only one cover. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take the green cover, instead of having red and red, I took green and red. Okay. So these Let It Snow tins, this is in the shape of a bus. These were $2, so I paid $1 for one. Two of them. They only had 2. Let me get these from over here. Okay. Let me move this so I could show you guys these. Okay. I have to give a big shout out to Elaine from Love Basket Express for the fact that she's the one I saw with these gift boxes. But she got hers from Walmart, and she gave me an idea. These have 3 gift boxes. These were $1. With the 50% off, these were 50 cents. So can you imagine? I only pay 50 cents for a basket or a box. So whatever they had, I got these over 2 different stores. So once I go into the store, I head straight for this section, and I have, let me see how much, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which means I have 39 gift boxes. If my math is right, 12 of them. Is it 12? 13 of them times 3, 39. 39 gift boxes right there. And I also have, I only took 2 of these. These are money cards. I ain't got no money to give nobody, so I only took 2. These were 50 cents. This is a 5-pack. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season. If this actually dropped to 75%, I'll go back and get whatever is left. And this one with pretty candy cane and all of that good stuff on it, this was also 50 cents. I got these coasters. I only saw 2 of them with the snowman. I love this. This is gorgeous. This was $3, so I paid $1.50 for this. They only had 2, and I took them. Do I have anything else? No, I don't. So this is what I have so far from $2 General. As you could tell, I love candles. I love to make gift baskets with candles. Yeah, I love to make gift baskets with candles. If you guys have not seen my Walmart video, please go ahead and watch this Walmart video that I uploaded before this one. And let me know if you guys score anything from Walmart. There were some other items I just purchased from Walmart. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, it's a lot. So I'm going to do a part 2 Walmart after Christmas clearance. I did part 1 already. I think it's uploaded in this video before this, so I'm going to do a part 2 because I thought I had only like one item, but I have several items, so I will go ahead and upload another video. So guys, thank you very much for all my recent subscribers. Let's do it, guys. We're almost there. For every like you guys like my video, it helps my page, and I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, guys. Share it so that everybody who doesn't know that these sales are going on can go out and get some of these items. Shop off season, guys. Remember, that's the best way to save money. You have to shop off season. You don't have to be a YouTuber or a person who makes baskets or something like that for you to start doing this. Do shop off season because number one, it saves you a lot of money if you shop off season. And at the same time, make sure you have somewhere to keep these items, because with these now, I'm going to pack them on top of each other. If I don't put them into a storage bin, I'll put them on the shelves in my garage, whatever. And for this Christmas, I didn't make the amount of money that I was hoping to make because there was a freeze trade right across the board. Every state that was not even experiencing cold weather, like say Florida, Georgia, anywhere down in the south, Texas, all those states that doesn't normally get snow or it's not cold like that, there was a freeze passing through. When I say freeze, it was frigid, windy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So as I said, I couldn't go out there as I wanted to and sell stuff because of the chill and all of that stuff. So I know a lot of people did not make a lot of money as they normally would on Christmas. But guess what, guys? Valentine's Day is right around the corner. There are items I know you have in your baskets that you can tweak. What I plan to do is my baskets that I use the shrink wrap on, the only way I disturb that is if there's food item in there that's gonna be expired. That's the only way I'm gonna disturb that package. If there's food item in there, that's gonna be expired. If there's no food item, I'm gonna leave that sitting right on the shelf. That's a Christmas gift for next year. That's the how I'm doing it. I'm not gonna disturb it. The only ones I'm disturbing are the ones that have food items. And what I'll do, just change the bow. Take the bow off, put on another bow. Take off the holiday bow, put on another bow. As easy as that. And this is something I plan now to do. I am going to make my bows separate with its own pipe cleaner, so that once I take it off, it doesn't unravel. And I could put that down for another year instead of making the bow again. All right. With that being said, guys, I've rambled on long enough. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Do be safe. Be warm. Stay happy. Stay healthy. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye.